First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. I have a Bosch Pro Core battery here today. The battery can no longer be charged. So I'll open the battery and diagnose with a multimeter. Then I'll see if I can fix the battery. I hope the cells are still okay. Are you ready? Then let's get started. As you can see, the cells are completely discharged. I don't know how long the cells are in this state, but it doesn't look good either. I will remove all cells and try to charge each one. Then we'll see if the cells can be saved. Now I will remove the copper bridges, and then I will remove the cells. You have to be careful when you remove the plus pole copper bridges, that you don't cause a short circuit. But since these cells are completely empty, it doesn't really matter. I ordered 10 new cells from AliExpress, since I could not find these cells in Europe. Let's see if the cells fit. I have to remove the insulation, otherwise they won't fit into the housing. Somehow they don't fit. I bought the identical model and size. These cells can be quite dangerous. Therefore, I will not force them in. I will be looking for identical cells across states. And these cells I will use for another project. Since we can't swap the cells, I'll show you the easiest way to reconnect the cells with copper jumpers without any special tools. I tried again to load the old cells, with no success. The cells are completely dead. Now I will build everything together, and resolder the copper bridges. When you solder the copper bridges, you have to be very careful about the temperature. And I repeat myself again, these cells are very dangerous. So make sure you don't heat the cells for too long. The best and easiest way is when you work with the flux or soldering fluid or stanol. Because that's the best and quickest way to get over the heat and solder it that way. You will now see, by these two soldering points, which is actually not how you should do it. You have to set the temperature to 400 degrees on the soldering iron. Because the soldering iron needs to heat up a large area, get to the maximum temperature and don't heat for too long. And on those two cells, you can see how I apply a bit of solder directly to the cell. And that's how you should do it. And I'll show you another way on the next cells how to do it even better and faster. As you can see, this way everything is much faster and easier. And you must prepare the copper bridges for use again, which I will show you in the next section. Since the copper is very soft, bending it straight with a hammer is very easy. Perfect, everything is in place. Now I will put on the plastic caps, and then check if everything fits properly. Thank you for watching my video, take care and stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.